People of St. Thomas, you are special, and the government acknowledges the sacrifice of your forefathers. St. Thomas is a place of great potential, and your government recognizes this, and we are doing everything possible to ensure that the true potential of this parish can be fulfilled. St. Thomas is really the pivotal parish in Jamaica's historical development, post-slavery. It is the Mor Bay Rebellion which really sparked a new interest from the colonial government in the administration of the affairs of Jamaica.
Over time, St. Thomas has garnered the unfortunate label as the forgotten one. But the government is looking to terminate that idea with a slew of developments on the way and still more planned. Road development is crucial to the economic growth of any nation. So when the government started the second leg of the South Coast Highway at the eastern end of the island, the development of St. Thomas was atop its mind. The 147 kilometers roadway spans Harbour View in St. Andrew all the way to Port Antonio, which means smooth sailing throughout the historic parish of St. Thomas. Here's Prime Minister Andrew Holness officially opening the 4-lane highway from Harbour View to Yallis Bridge in early 2024.
St. Thomas is witnessing a remarkable change in its infrastructure, particularly its roadways and public facilities. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is a key catalyst for this transformation, connecting Harbour View in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. The highway is set to enhance the economic foundations of St. Thomas, offering numerous opportunities for its residents.
St. Thomas residents on a whole will be happy with the development taking place, but the people of the Roselle, Shady Spring and White Horses community will be most excited with the new Seaw Wall that is being built along a section of the main road in the parish. The old structure was damaged by a storm surge during Hurricane Beryl, and the government didn't hesitate to respond.
It totally destroyed the wall and came in onto the road. So this is not a defect of the contractor. This is something now that the government will have to pursue as supplementary work, meaning we will have to have an additional budget because of the hurricane to put in a seawall.
The corridor is included in roadworks being carried out in the parish as part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. A landmark development in the parish is the Mor Bay Urban Centre, which is currently under construction. This 28-acre development will feature more than 50 public and private sector entities in one space. Among them, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, 2 BPO facilities expected to employ approximately 3,000 individuals, a museum, financial and medical facilities, a daycare center, a brand new courthouse, a tax office, Registrar General's Department, Passport Office, and many more. The Mor Bay Urban Centre is powering the development for the people of St. Thomas.
Many households are going to benefit from the economic and social opportunities that will be curated right here in this 28-acre development. We have a university here, we have training facilities here, we have joined up government here, we have food, recreation and commerce right here, we have light industry, right here.
In October of 2022, the people of Yalis got a completely modern state-of-the-art fire station. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness officially opened the space, which is yet another part of the plans to modernize the parish.
This fire station is a representation of the government's strategic intent of focusing on the development of this parish.
Financed by the Government of Jamaica and the World Bank, it will benefit more than 95,000 residents across communities in St. Thomas. The Prime Minister promised that with the infrastructure being put in place, other investments in the parish would follow, like an explosion of housing developments such as the newly developed Sun Coast Beach Club homes in the Mor Bay area. The parish is also set to receive a new police station and benefit from an upgrade to the Princess Margaret Hospital.
In less than 5 years, this parish is going to see significant transformations. We need your support. We need you to support the government to continue the work that it is doing to build your economy and build your communities and build your household.